Are welcome in the math tutorial class. Today topic is angle between two straight lines and it is the first class of the topic. Question is here. Derivation of formula tan theta equals to plus minus m1 minus m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Here it is written where the symbols have their usual meaning, means what is m1, what is m2, theta, they already symbolized for this exercise. Theta means angle between two straight lines, and m1 is slope of first line, m2 is the slope of second line. And today I am going to teach you how to derive this formula. See here in the video how we will derive the formula. For this I will start in this way. Let's draw x-axis and y-axis. This is x, 0, y. Take two straight lines. One straight line is this, another straight line is this. And here let this angle is theta 1, this is L1 line, and this is L2 line, and this is angle theta 2. One angle is theta 1, another angle is theta 2. We can put the name also of this straight line, but we have already supposed this angle is theta 1 and this angle is theta 2. What will be the angle between them? This is the theta. Now here we know line L1 angle is theta 1 and L2 angle is theta 2. So you know very well when an angle is made by a straight line, and if we apply their tangent, then that will give slope of the line. So here L1 is making theta 1 angle with the x-axis, positive x-axis. So slope of the line, slope of L1 is m1 equals to tan theta 1, and slope of L2 is m2 is equals to tan theta 2. This is the slope of the lines, and here angle between them is theta. So here are three angles, theta 1, theta 2 and theta. What we can write here, this theta 1 equals to theta plus theta 2. How we write it? By the triangle law of angles. In one angle, an exterior angle equals to sum of two opposite interior angles. So from here we will write here theta equals to theta 1 minus theta 2. If we take their tangent with the angles, then we will get here tan theta, taking tan on both sides, or operating tan on both sides. What we will get here, tan theta equals to tan theta 1 minus theta 2. This is equals to a formula you know from the trigonometry, tan A minus B. So we use here tan A minus B formula. It is tan theta 1 minus tan theta 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan theta 1 times tan theta 2. Substitute the value, we will get here this is m1 and minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. This is the relation of tan theta with the slopes. Here you are looking in this figure, here this is theta, means this is 180 degree minus theta. This is also an angle between the straight lines L1 and L2. So in the place of theta, if we write here 180 minus theta, then what result will come? Let's see here. Replacing 180 degree minus theta, replacing theta by theta by 180 minus theta, we get here 100 tan 180 degree minus theta equals to m1 minus m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. This result we know from the trigonometry, it is minus tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. After this, we'll write here, or tan theta is equals to minus m1 minus m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Student, we got here tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by whole divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. Again we got tan theta equals to minus m1 minus m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. So in conclusion, what we will write here, therefore tan theta equals to, in conclusion, therefore tan theta equals to plus minus m1 minus m2 whole divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. This is the derivation of the formula which we use to find angle between two straight lines. Let's see some special conditions, and the special conditions are, see this line you are looking here, L1 and L2. If the lines are like this, then what will happen here? Check it. X 0 y, see the line, L1 is here and another line L2 is here, both of them making an angle theta 1 is here, and this is also theta 2 is here. Then see the lines, if the theta 1 equals to theta 2, then what will happen? The lines should be parallel. So condition is here, if the lines are parallel, then if L1 is parallel to L2, then theta 1 angle between the lines is theta 1 equals to theta 2, and the angle between them theta equals to 0 degree. Angle between them, theta 1 angle between the lines is theta equals to 0 degree. So condition is here, if theta 1 equals to theta 2, that means m1 equals to m2. So m1 equals to m2 if and only if theta equals to 0 degree. Similarly, second condition is here. See here, second condition is x y 0. Second condition, if the theta 1 is this, L1 is this, and this angle is theta 1, and this another line is here L2, and angle between them is 90 degree. This is L1 and this is L2, and this is making theta 2 here. This is theta 2, and angle between them is 90 degree. Then what will happen here? If L1 is perpendicular to L2, then theta, then the angle between them, then the angle between the lines is 90 degree. That means tan theta equals to tan 90 degree equals to infinity. This symbol is of infinity, and when we'll put here theta equals to infinity, then what we'll get here, if we'll put here theta, here it is theta equals to 90 degree, then tan theta is value is infinity, then we'll write here infinity equals to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 times m2. This implies when the result becomes infinity, if there 1 plus m1 times m2 equals to 0, implies it m1 times m2 equals to minus 1. So we write here if here implies totally it is m1 equals m1 times m2 equals to minus 1 if and only if theta equals to 90 degree. These two I have shown to you the special condition for this derivations. Student, each and every video there are link, please go through the link, and if you want to know more, if you want to get more knowledge, more questions, and more definitions, please don't forget to visit www.maths-10nepal.com. Thanks for watching the video.